Alright guys, we're working on a GE dishwasher here. I came out about a month or so ago and put a user interface on it. And it's a Golf Delta Tango 655 Sierra Michael Juliet 0 Echo Sierra. Customer's complaint now is it's not draining. Well, really it's not doing anything. It just fills with water and sits there. So I got the schematic or the tech sheet out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into test mode. And it says right here you got to put it into service mode, but you got to put it into error mode first. So what we're going to do is push cycle select and start for 5 seconds. So it's in standby mode right now, or cycle select mode as they call it. What you're going to do is you push cycle select and start for 5 seconds. Once that pops up, that means you are in error mode, and you can go through, and if you're having any type of errors, it will let you know. But I want test mode. So service mode says hold cycle select for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're in cycle mode. And basically the way the cycle mode works, or service mode works, is the LED blinks once for drain pump, twice for water valve, 3 for circulation pump, 4 for heater, and 5 for detergent module. So we're concerned about the drain pump and the circulation pump. So as you can see right now, it's blinking once. Then it says the start button starts and stops test. So we're gonna hit the start button to start the test. Now we should be draining, but we're not. We're not draining. So we're gonna come over here, and we got these nice little strip circuits on the tech sheet. Drain pump and circulation pump are both fed off of J7031 and J7033. So it looks like that the circulation pump and drain pump are getting line and neutral from J703. So we're gonna go over to J703. Which is this little guy right here. So this wire right here is your circulation pump. This blue wire back here is your drain pump. Then it has one neutral that feeds both of them. So what we're gonna do is we're draining right now. So we're gonna take our leads and we're gonna go from the drain pump. So I got one of my leads in the drain pump. And then we're gonna go to neutral. Right there. And 0 volts. So let's just make sure that, and I am on low Z. So we're gonna hit start again just to make sure we weren't off. Oh, did a little something there, did a little. So that should be off. And let's make sure our leads are in there good. Can't get any more in than that. And still no voltage. So now, we're gonna go to test number 3, which will be 3 blinks. So now we got 2 blinks, 1, 2. See it? That's inlet valve. So if I hit start, it starts filling. But I don't want it to fill, so now we're gonna hit 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's blinking 3. And we're gonna hit start. I'm gonna go down here and see. We got the same neutral for both. And we're gonna go over to our wash motor. And still, nothing. No voltage. So, what we're gonna do now is go from, we're gonna switch over to regular volts and see what we get to ground. And we're getting some crazy voltage. 0.5. And we're getting the same thing, so bad board. We're in test mode 1, and now we got 120 volts coming out, and I am right back in that drain pump in neutral. So this board, the circulation pump and the drain pump have the same neutral. So new board fixed it. I do stock this board on my truck. It's a cheap board. If you don't have it on your truck, you should get one. But the tech sheet is always right here. This is where it goes. Right here on this little corner. Don't be that technician that puts it in his bag. Put it back where it goes. It goes right here. Right here in this little corner. When you take this kick plate off, there's your board. I mean your tech sheet right there. Put it back. Half of you guys don't even know how to read a tech sheet, much less use one, so don't steal them. And if you don't know how to use a tech sheet, you should definitely learn. They are invaluable. So anyway, we're good to go. 120 volts and another first call complete. Or first trip complete from my boy Matt that likes to call me out for saying first call complete. You know who you are, Matthew James. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Got it all buttoned up. When I first got here and I was trying to diagnose, it was leaking right from right here. And the reason it was leaking was because the float switch was overflowing because it wouldn't drain. So I thought they had a leak too, but fortunately they didn't. It was just that float switch. So I'm gonna drain it now. Just switched it over to drain. Draining like a champ. And I'll dry this water up and we'll be good to go. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.